Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today we're talking about the KASK safety helmet and the accessories that we've built to fit it. So this is the KASK safety helmet. We know that these safety helmets are becoming more and more popular for good reasons. Improved suspension systems and chin straps. We have side impact available on most models, and there is a very big shortage of accessories to go with these helmets until now. So this is a weight compensating bracket with an arc shield on the KASK helmet. The KASK helmet allows it to be a very close fit. The Toric shield comes underneath, creating its own chin protector. Has an air ventilation system here with our front vent. This is the deployed position. This is the stowed position. And you see how it doesn't protrude way out here like a normal face shield would, because this weight compensating bracket brings the shield up and back at the same time. This is a 12-calorie arc shield, and this is a 20-calorie arc shield. Both of them designed specifically to fit this helmet with the utilization of this bracket. The face shield design has a nanoparticle gray color, so you have good perception of all different colors as you're looking through it. It's hard-coated on its exterior, anti-fog coated on the inside. And when you bring this shield down into the deployed position, you have your full field of view. You're not constrained by the face shield of what you can see, and it's conformal to your face in a way you have not experienced with other face shields. So again, this is the KASK helmet with 12-calorie and 20-calorie arc flash face shields. Another additional accessory are the flashlights. So this is a flashlight with an adapter that snaps on that easily without tools. You can adjust it into any position, in and out. Just put the flashlight to where you want it to be pointing and let go, and it stays in position. Just as easy to remove it if you want to take the flashlight off. This is the KASK helmet with our weight compensating bracket, Toric face shields, and these are the industrial models. So this is a Toric polycarbonate face shield, clear. As you can see, the stowed position, the deployed position, doesn't hang out in front. I can put my finger up inside and balance the helmet on the tip of my finger inside the helmet, which you could never do that if you had a face shield that was hanging way out. Easily snaps on and off the helmet. The accessories of flashlights can snap on, assuming that you order it with the attachment. You can order the face shields to be coated or uncoated, and when it's the coated model, it's hard coated on the front side and anti-fog coated on the interior. We have a variety of face shields. Triton face shield for use in chemical environments. Dark green for applications where you have a very bright environment, like in a steel mill. Here's cobalt blue, shade 5 cobalt blue, which is excellent for use where you have molten steel or molten glass. And here's transparent nylon. Transparent nylon is a unusual material that's very chemical resistant, and it's more heat resistant than the polycarbonate. This particular one's coated with hard coating on the front and anti-fog to its interior. We will have additional models of face shields coming, our coming attractions. We'll post them to the internet as we have those available. That would be, as an example, a shade 9. So we'll have a shade 9 for use in plasma cutting. We'll also have gold-coated shields that are for heat reflection. All in this new Toric design, and all of them working with the weight compensating bracket on your particular helmet. This happens to be the KASK helmet, and it's designed specifically to fit the KASK. This is the weight compensating bracket model WCB-K. specifically for the KASK helmet. Just to go over the features and benefits of this, it has a lever lock system for easy attachment and removal of the face shield to the bracket. It has the helmet adapters with the press to release feature, so that it snaps in and then you just press in and it pops right out. Easy to change, no tools required. Stops, both top and bottom stops, so that the shield does not over travel on either position. And adjustable pivots, so that you can adjust it for either lightly, for you can do the welder's knot and drop the shield, or tighter, so you have to pull the shield down, depending on your preference. So this reason that we sell the bracket separate from all of those face shields is there's so many different face shields, and you have to first determine what face shield you need for your job. Do you need a shade 5? Do you need to have a clear polycarbonate? Do you have an issue with fogging? You need to have a coated face shield. So you choose the face shield and then buy the bracket, because all those face shields fit with this same bracket, and this bracket is meant to fit the KASK.